Kisha, Passee and Josann Miller, charged with causing harm to a 2-year-old toddler, pleaded guilty and is expected to know their fate on Thursday the 30th of March. Attorney-at-law Richie Maitland explained the rationale behind the push for a non-custodial sentence to be imposed on both women.
For avoidance of doubt, a non-custodial sentence means a non-prison sentence. Based on the principles of sentencing, when considering a sentence, a court has to consider 3 things. First of all, they need to deter other people, so it needs to be sufficiently serious to deter other people. They also consider the rehabilitation of the offenders, and they also need to consider the protection of the public. We are saying that when applying those principles to this case, this is actually a prime case for a non-custodial sentence because it is clearly a case of otherwise good people making a mistake.
He said a non-custodial sentence is a sentence given to an offender that allows a term to be served in a non-custodial alternative to prison. It can include a fine, probation order or community service order, or a combination of both. With regards to the social inquiry report requested by the chief magistrate, Maitland spoke of how this report will be obtained.
So they adjourned the matter for a social inquiry report to be done. That is where essentially a social worker would reach out to the both accused persons, get information from them, and also get information from the mother of the child. The social worker would then produce a report to the court, and the court would then be in a position to sentence.
He said the court must also follow up on the child's well-being following the incident.
So having a social worker get that from the 2 parties who are now on remand would also will support our case, because it will show that they're not just coming to court to say they're sorry. When they speak to other people, they in fact also saying that they're sorry, and just based on all the indications, based on the bodily cues, the social worker can make a determination that they're sorry. Alternatively, when sentencing, a court also is keen to make sure that justice is seen to be done. So they would be speaking to the mother of the child, supposed to see how the child is coming along, how the child has recovered from the incident, and also speak to the mother to get a sense of what I suppose she would want to see coming out of the matter.
Colin Campbell, GBA News.